overwhelming sweetness who radiates a charm so disarming, sophisticated and dazzling that it creates an invisible and intimidating barrier around her, making most gentlemen feel small in her presence and prefer to admire her from a safe
Kayong mga
distance
apat na
rather
magagandang
than risk
dilag,
rejection from such absolute beauty.
kung nabighan ninyong mga kalalakihan,
Charlize Theron, the monumental,
Baliktad.
towering, and unreachable deity of
Sa
roles
Miss Pa.
with an imposing presence, sculpted face, and dominant personality who
Subok
leads
na.
this list in an absolute
Ako ang
resounding
hinahabol
and
ng mga
indisputable
dilag.
way, having openly confessed
Kaya
that
kayong
feels
apat na
terrified in her
pinakamagagandang
presence,
dilag sa
becoming
mundo,
paralyzed with fear, and preferring never to speak to
makikilala
her
nyo rin
because they
ako.
feel overwhelmed by her lethal combination
At kayo
of
ang
divine beauty,
ma-overwhelmed.
massive success, and indestructible independence,
Hahabulin nyo ko tiyak.
thus sealing a profile of four extraordinarily beautiful
Wag ako.
women whose level of physical
Wag
perfection
ang
and
Miss Pa.
majestic aura turn any
Because
attempt at conversation
that's
into an
my
almost
trait.
impossible mission for the male
Habulin
gender.
ng mga dilag